know that Chile is one of the most leading countries with the most powerful economy? Did you know that the average work salary in Chile is over 30,000 Ghana cedis per month? Did you know that Chile has easy route to the United States of America? Well, now you know. Do you want to visit, tour, work or start a living in Chile? No worries at all. Practician Resource Center is organizing a business tour to Chile this season. Are you an IT technician, a teacher, a health service worker, communication and sales representative? Are you a farmer or are you into building and construction? Whatever your profession is, there is a better opportunity waiting for you in Chile. So hurry, call PHR Center for more details on 0242 283366 or visit our website www.phrcenter.com.